What's up guys, it's Saka and today I am doing a cooking video. So for those of you who don't know, Harrison is my brother and it is his birthday tomorrow. So it is his birthday tomorrow. Life is a little too busy this week, this month, whatever time it is right now. It is too busy to sit down and make a hair video, so I thought, why don't I vlog me doing one of my jobs? And one of my jobs happens to be something that is cooking and a recipe. And why not share some cooking recipes on my channel? So welcome to Saka's cooking, hair, and vlogging. Anyways, yes, so I'm going to show y'all how to make an Alexander family birthday tradition. And all you need are Oreos and whipped cream and hot fudge and ice cream and butter. He specifically requested coffee Oreo as one of his flavors, but we didn't find a coffee Oreo, so we just found coffee ice cream, and we're gonna have to mix Oreos into it. Let's get started. So the first thing I do is I take the Oreos, and I put them in this. Now if you don't have one of these Cuisinart choppy thingies, Vitamix, but not a Vitamix. What's it called? I'm just gonna call it a chopper. I will show you a video of it chopping so you can see, but it's by Cuisinart. So if you have any idea what I'm talking about, get yours out. And if you have one, if not, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe a Vitamix would work, I don't know. Maybe you have to just do it by hand. But we're gonna put some Oreos in this bowl. And so we have normal Oreos. These ones are for the crust. We're actually using Kroger brand and they taste pretty much the same as normal Oreos. So if you ever need some Oreos, I don't know if they were less expensive, but I mean, look at the size of these compared to each other. Baby, big boy, baby, big boy. Also, by the way, in case you're wondering, why am I wearing a tank top? This is not a tank top. This is, I just went and worked out. So, good for me. Fill it with this. Fill this with Oreos. Note to self and whoever else may be watching this video, I put them all in the bowl, but that was not very smart because then when I put that thing in, it didn't want to like go with that and like fit. So just put the Oreos in after you do that and connect it to that thingy. And then now I have to pour all the Oreos back in. So yay. And we are making them very fine, very small, very little. Then I take them and I pour them in here. And now I put the butter in the microwave for however long it takes to fully melt. Then I have this, and I have butter, and I pour the butter on top, kind of like distribute it evenly, and then I take a spoon and I make sure all of the crumbs get coated with the butter. Those steps you can actually do in a bowl before you put it in here, but why use extra dishes when I'm the dishes girl and I don't want to have to do extra dishes? So, voila. And then I just pressed it in here so it basically won't move at all. And now it's time for the fun part where I get out the ice cream. So the two coffees Harrison requested are something with chocolate chips and chocolate chip cookie dough in it. So we have Turkey Hill chocolate chip cookie dough. This video is not sponsored by Turkey Hill, but it should be. And then Colombian coffee. And we're gonna put some Oreos into this one. So let's get started with that process. I am putting it in from container into this, into this container, which I guess if I tried, I could probably do it in this container, but it doesn't matter to me that much. I mean, it's not that big of a deal that we use an extra dish or anything like that, so who cares? I'm the dishes girl, and I don't want to have to do extra dishes. And now I have this, and I'm going to add in bits of this kind of Oreo. This is for me. Now I'm just folding that in, and it's not exactly the easiest process, but it will hopefully work. And now I am going to put this homemade coffee Oreo ice cream on top of the ice cream base. And I'm going to take the other stuff out of the fridge and I'm going to put that on top of there. And usually this step, making the coffee Oreo ice cream, would not be a big deal. Usually we would just get like the 2 half gallons of ice cream. But this time we did this. But you can just get 2 half gallons of ice cream. So I'm just going to put there. And I'm just going to put it on top. And we're going to do half and half. So one side of the cake is going to be the coffee Oreo and the other side is going to be the other flavor of ice cream we had.
Wait. I didn't want that. I wanted it to be a layer of coffee Oreo and then a layer of chocolate chip cookie.
We have never done them like that.
Oh, well, that's my special birthday request.
Your special birthday request was me having to mix this all together.
If you like one more than the other, you can't escape it.
Now we have that all layered with one kind of ice cream on that side and the other on that side. And now we're going to heat up some hot fudge and we're going to put it on top. Now I'm going to pour this all on top of the ice cream, and then after that the ice cream is going to get extremely melty because this is hot and it is cold. And so I'm going to run it out to the freezer and make sure it's level in the freezer. And then wait for it to freeze back up. And then the following steps will happen. Due to unfortunate circumstances, we were not able to vlog this part, but we just put some whipped topping on the top, and voila, it's done. Thanks for watching. I'm going crazy.